everyone. Today's topic is Belgaum Congress session. The 100-year celebrations of the 1924 Belgaum Congress have took place in Belgavi, Karnataka on 26th and 27th December of 2024. This makes it important for prelims 2025. This is the only session of Congress in which it was presided by Gandhiji as the party chief. In this, it has propagated combating untouchability, promoting Khadi and supporting village industries which are known as the Gandhian ideologies. And it also transformed Congress into a both political independence and social reform movement. Khadi spinning was made mandatory for the members, and also it reduced the Congress membership fees by 90%. It propagated Hindu-Muslim unity and focused on issues like sanitation, town planning, and use of cows for economic upliftment and also cow protection. In this session in 2024, the maestros of Hindustani music, Vishnu Digambar and also young Gangubai have performed a music session. A Pampa Sarovar well, which was dug in 1924 to supply water to this session, is still providing water to the areas around it. The other important sessions of Congress are 1885, the first session in Bombay, which was presided by W.C. Banerjee. 1896, Calcutta session, in which first time Vande Mataram was sung by Rabindranath Tagore. In 1905, Benares session, this was proclamation of Swadeshi movement. This was headed by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. In 1906, the session has proclaimed Swaraj. In 1907, it is in Surat. It was presided by Raj Vihari Ghosh and the split between moderates and extremists has taken place. In 1916, Lucknow session, the unity between the moderates and extremists was again established and the Lucknow Pact with the Muslim League was signed. In 1917, in Calcutta session, it was the first woman president, Annie Besant. Then in 1919, Amritsar session, which was presided by Motilal Nehru, has supported the Khilafat movement. And also, in 1920 Calcutta session, the president was Lala Lajpat Rai, who has promoted the Gandhiji's move for non-cooperation movement. In 1929, in Lahore, the president was Jawaharlal Nehru and the resolution for Purna Swaraj was passed. Now, do solve this question of Prelims 2021 and let me know the answer in the comment section. Thank you.